Hi students, good morning to all of you and welcome to online classes. So let's come student. Today we will discussing about some exercise part question answer. You have to open in your textbook page number 185. Just to look there. This is the page number 185 in your textbook. So let's come. We have to solve the some exercise part questions. Here is there what is there? No, look there. Complete each sentence by filling in the correct alternative. So they are given some alternatives. You have to fill the correct one for the related to the question. So I already explained you about our continents and countries and even also oceans. Many concepts we discussed in our previous class. Okay, based on that we have to answer now. So first one, what is that? India is situated in the continent of dash. What is that? So I already said that our Indian country is come in the one continent. That our continent name is Asia, no? So you have to write Asia. So he put right here Asia. Okay, this one. So next one, Bangladesh is to the dash of India. Just you have to look there here no, before I am solving the exercise questions, just to look here no. This is in word map. Here our India is there. Look there. So when you make their directions, you know already that do this like one vertical line, one horizontal line. This side is east and this side is west, and this side is north, this side is south. So based on this direction we have to identify. So India is just map. So just to look there, what they are asking in previous, Bangladesh. Where is the Bangladesh here? Here Bangladesh. So Bangladesh in which direction is there? For this side, no, for on India. So it is E means east direction. So similarly Pakistan is west direction is there, and Sri Lanka is there, south direction is there, and here Nepal is north direction is there. So you have to that like we have to solve now. Bangladesh is to the dash of India. Here no, where is the answer? You already seen the map. What is the answer? Yes, east. This one is the correct answer. Next, Pakistan. Then is to the dash of India. East or west? West. You already seen. Next, Sri Lanka is to the down is there in the south direction. So you have to put south direction. And Nepal is to the north. So these are the correct alternative answer for the related question. So let's come now second one. Which mountain range lies to the north of India? Which mountain range lies to the north of India? So question is this like, the answer is, you are tell that, look there again one word map. Look there. Which mountain range now? This is called, what you called? Himalaya. You have to write here Himalaya. Himalaya range. This range lies to the north of India. And which ocean is lies to the south of India? Look there, word map again. Here south direction from this side. Which ocean is there? Here now look at the south direction, no? This is Indian Ocean. What is this? Indian Ocean. Right here, Indian Ocean. Okay. So now remaining there, here also exercise is there. This one we will discussing our next class, but these examples and these two questions are very important for your annual exam, may be coming. So that's why you have to be ready and have to study. And before solving this one, you have to observe their word map. In your textbook is already given in the page number 184. Just look here. You know, this is word map. You have to observe, be carefully which country, which direction is there. That's when you have to observe, and next you have to solve this exercise. I hope you are understood this one. Okay, so next class I will explaining to you these exercise part question, then and remaining two questions also. So you have to be carefully watch for every class Have a nice day. Bye bye.